Hey Tom. Oh, he's cooking something. Can't wait to see what it is. Oh no, he needs more time. Let's see what we're learning today. Oh, it's magical division. Tom's got the tricks for smart division. Divide big numbers like 154 divided by 14 easily. Hello. So happy to see you back. Hey, this is Ginger. Ginger is very friendly. We'll play with Ginger later. Bye, Ginger. So, where were we? Yeah, magical division. So we're going to divide big numbers like 154 divided by 14. Also, you're going to try the task 2 by yourself. We're not going to use any calculator. Go! Grab a paper and a pencil quickly. Let's go. Write the question on the top. Now we're going to split all the numbers. Just like that. Have you wrote the numbers like that? If not, take your time. Now, we're going to draw circles below every number. One circle below 1. 5 circles below 5. 4 circles below 4. Have you drawn all the circles? Make sure you draw them like I did. Now, look at the first number we have to divide our number with. It is 1. Second number is 4. Based on these numbers, we have to connect one circle with 4 circles. Let's start connecting them. Connect one circle with the next. Now, connect it with next 3 circles. See, we have connected one circle with 4 circles. Now, we can start connecting the next circles. Connect one circle with the next. Now, connect it with next 3 circles. See, we have connected one circle with 4 circles. Now that we have connected all the circles and no other circles are left, we now have to divide the columns by drawing lines. Let's draw lines to divide the columns. Draw one line like this. Draw another line like this. You see there are 3 columns now. Now, we have to count the circles which are not properly connected. Like this one. Count them and place the number above them. And this one. Count them and place the number above them. As you can see, we have our answer. Hey friend, don't forget your homework. It is the key to success. Let's see who completes the homework first. And share in the comments of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, as new magics are on their way. Click the like button, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. Bye friend.